Hey guys, today we'll solve this Herbert intense question. K equal 3 plus K. Then what's the value of K? So let's solution it. So the method number 1 is K is equal 3 plus K. So here we just replace this K in left side, then it will be K minus K is equal 3. So this K and this K will be deleted and we can get here 0 is equal 3, but it cannot possible due to math rules. So the method number 1 is not good. So here we have to use method number 2. So if we use this exponential, take x equal y, then we also write x square equal y square because the square value is same. So it means when the modulus value of x is equal the modulus value of y. So after that we just write down the main equation. Now the main equation was k square is equal bracket 3 plus k bracket square. We just use this k equal 3 plus k equation and do square both side. After that we can get here k square is equal 3 plus k times 3 plus k. It means 3 plus k whole square. So from here we can write k square is perfectly equal 3 times 3 is equal 9 plus 3 times k is equal plus 3k, then k times 3 plus 3k, and k times k is equal plus k square. Then this k square in left side and right side is all deleted and we can get the perfect value 3k plus 3k is equal 6k. So we write down this in left side. So the value of 9 is will be minus due to we take the 6k in left side. So we just now divided both side with 6 value, then the left side k will be single and the main value will be minus 3 divided by 2. So here we get the answer k equal minus 3 by 2. So if you like this, please subscribe and comment your thought. So we just test the value k equal minus by the way it will be k equal 3 plus k. We just input this k's value in the equation that will be get minus 3 divided by 2 is equal 2 divided by 6 minus 3. So here we can easily take minus 3 by 2 is perfectly equal minus 3 by 2. Then this minus will be cancelled out and we have to get the modulus value of both sides equal 3 by 2. So here we can write left hand side is marvelously equal right hand side. So the value of k, this equation k plus equal 3 plus k is minus 3 divided by 2.